What is up, YouTube? I really like walking on this park. I usually come here for training, or doing yoga, or sketching. So today is a sketching day. So I'm just gonna sketch any building that comes into my mind when I just, sit down and think of sketching, okay? And I really like the idea of the building being compatible to the nature, so basically I'm just gonna clarify the lines that I draw with the pencil, this time with the fine liner, and then show it some details and have a horizon, and I'm drawing the trees in a representative way. When it comes to coloring, green is the best color if you want your building to be compatible with nature. So my picture will mostly look in green. Let's show some interior with orange color in a very minimalistic way. Let's get rid of the auxiliary lines. Finally, the shadows. Ooh. Thanks everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you did so, and see you in the next one.